from
there.
Hey guys, Mr. Gold here,
And
back with my friend. He likes John Cena. Not.
Yeah, just kidding. I just wear the shirt because brand new.
And it was from a family member.
Just died.
And we're going for another bike ride. Remember last time I crashed? So always be safe when you ride one-handed.
That last Saturday, which was yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday was that.
We had to delete it because...
No, we didn't have to delete the bike rides, but we had to delete the obstacle course and vlogs like that.
Yeah, because we had too much videos and the people who made rocket powered shoes. You guys are good at...
Go ahead of me. Go ahead of me.
You guys are so good at rockets. You better go do them.
I'm almost failed. Guys, I'm gonna be the lead person. You're gonna see his point of view, and you're gonna see what he sees. It's facing you. Okay, let's go.
Want it facing me or facing at you?
Facing towards me.
Just a section.
Okay, hold on.
There he goes. Trying to catch up with him, but my undies just got caught in the seat, so yeah. People just made rocket powered shoes. If you guys ever get hurt from doing those, I'm sorry. But I really, guys, want you to do 2 rockets on one whole shoe, for then we can see extra extreme. But where'd you guys get those shoes with the wheels in the back? Was it Amazon, eBay, store? What store? What app? I don't really care. I just want you to tell me. So, yeah. All you guys are good fans. That's all you guys are. Really good fans. We work our butts off to be YouTubers. Yeah. I do too.
You're not a YouTuber yet.
Well, I kind of am, but... And guys, it's kind of blurry because it's like 8 something in the morning. And yeah. So, if you guys don't... And my dad, when he was sleeping, he was kind of a good sleeper.
Hey guys, here's the bike. It's muddy because we were doing mud runs at his house last week.
No, it's
So,
remember?
So yeah, we're gonna just take our bikes down out back because his dad has had something stolen from here before. So,
When he was ice fishing, when he wasn't there, he got stolen ice hogger and some gas. And he never got it back.
nope. We'll put it on. Guys, that's the obstacle course that we do. You want to go do it for them?
Yeah.
I will.
I'm not, because I saw yesterday.
Here. Stand right here and film.
Oh, yeah.
So guys, what you gotta do? Start on this log. Get your balance. And basically, you just go like this. Ah, crap. Hey, you're not chasing me. I just had breakfast too, guys, so.
I didn't.
You don't have
And there's the lake we woke up to. There's the lake we woke up to yesterday. There's the sky we woke up today. Beautiful sunset. Beautiful water set. Guys, you can subscribe of what you want to do. We actually might do it. But I might not be in the whole videos because we're not brothers or cousins.
Not cousins?
We're just friends. That's why I said we're not brothers or cousins.
We're down by the lake. Guys, look at this.
I showed them.
Oh, you did?
I said, look at the nice water set and look at the nice sky.
Guys, this is from a fire last night.
Yeah, and I feel like...
And this is what he did with sparklers to a box last night. So... Ugh. Yeah, guys, see that little floaty thing? We go kayaking down by that thing.
We never jumped off it because it's our neighbors.
Is it really?
Yeah. Ours is up there.
Oh. Oh, okay. Does everyone have one? Guys, this is Coldstream Pond. I'm going to come swimming back here. Maybe I might come back. Okay, let me try to get this. I might be swimming here later, but it's going to be
Hey guys, I want to give you
down.
I'm going to give you guys a joke. What is everybody's favorite music?
Hold on.
Hip hop.
Yep. And Bunny's favorite kind
You guys
of music
don't get
is
it?
hip hop. Because they hop.
Yeah, they can't dance or anything.
Guys, you're going to see my point of view for this obstacle course. He got in the way of it. Holy crap, that's a swinging board with nails. I gotta use a hand. Oh, guys, I'm in the kayak bike. So guys, I have to try. I'm going to. I don't want to drop the camera. I need to take cover. He's throwing stuff at me. So then, guys, you gotta tie it rope up here. Oh my god! I just did parkour! Parkour! I almost fell through, but then I jumped onto the other one and jumped off.
Can I do the view of one?
No, because might be hard though.
Not to me. Guys, you'll see my view actually of it. Even though I'm on a log. Yeah. And it's kind of hard doing one hand. And yeah. So, if you guys want to see more videos someday, you can subscribe and do a lot of stuff. So, yeah. And later, we actually might have some pizza.
You might.
Well, maybe you if he's still over, but this is his tablet and all of that, so yeah. Technically, see you later. It's been 10 minutes and a few seconds.
Come to this. Yeah, guys, I'm back in control. It's been 10 minutes and 30 seconds, so... Yo, holy crap, Beetle. It's dead now. Watch out.
Get nice shot. There's no smoke and all that. There's still smoke coming from that side.
I'll show you. I'm going to show you inside of here.
Me and my dad built it by ourselves. Yeah.
There's 2 places where you can drill a hole.
No, those were just marks. Guys, I'm gonna try to make a tiny fire for you in the morning.
Okay, guys, that'll be the end of this video. See you in the next one. Goodbye.